It can hurt you. Doctors told how to not eat honey. Honey is one of the most healthy foods. It has vitamins that our body needs. Also, honey fills the body with useful carbohydrates, minerals, trace elements. Honey promotes good metabolism. Thanks to him, our organs work better. But with honey you need to be more careful, because it can cause an allergic reaction. Also note that honey loses its beneficial properties when heated. Experts recommend eating 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey per day. This is the norm for our body. If you eat more, it can do much harm. Honey is also good for our body. It is often used in cosmetology. It has many useful elements that improve the condition of our skin. Note that honey never deteriorates if stored properly. In the end, we note a few points why honey is good for our health. Improves metabolism. Improves immunity, helps our body cope with stress. Normalizes acidity in the stomach and the microflora of the gastrointestinal tract. Helps the body fight viruses. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.